In this guide to use Google Calendar, you'll learn everything there is to know about Google Calendar, how to start, edit, and use it daily. But you may not realize everything it can do. You may think it's just a diary. Since its redesign in 2017, Google Calendar can do so much more. Here's what you can do with this digital calendar. If you haven't used your Google Calendar, you can find it at calendar.google.com. On your smartphone, it's either preloaded or you can visit the App Store for a downloadable version. First, if you've used another calendar app like Outlook or Apple Calendar, you can import your data to Google Calendar. Open up the calendar on your computer to move the data because you can't do this on your mobile app. Your existing calendars have an export function. Choose the CSV format because this is the most compatible with Google Calendar. If you are importing from an Apple Calendar, choose vCard. Follow the on-screen directions and all of your data will be sent to Google Calendar. On Windows, you can access the Apple Calendar through an iCloud account. Did you know you can add this to your free calendar.com account? We love calendar.com because it helps you save time, be more productive, and focus on the things that matter. Here are the steps. First, visit calendar.com and create a free account. Second, go to Settings and select Connected Calendars, and you're ready to go. No need to worry about importing tricky files. Now that your Google Calendar is set up, you can customize it through the Settings icon. This icon is located at the top right of the screen. Here you can make changes to language, region, time zone, and clock settings. You can also customize events, notifications, and view options from this menu. These settings are a little different on your Google Calendar app. You'll see a menu for general settings as well as notification options and quick responses. This allows you to personalize Google Calendar for your unique needs and lifestyle. In this same menu, you can also make customized choices for events and reminders. Also, Google Calendar gives you the option to create multiple calendars from a computer. This doesn't mean you're adding a different calendar. Instead, Google Calendar takes data from a different calendar and places it in yours. That way, you see other people's events. And if you want, they can see yours. The data sources can be color-coded for easy viewing. Just choose Add a Coworker's Calendar and follow the instructions. Through this option, you can send your coworker a message, and if they approve, you then see their schedule on your calendar. Another feature is the ability to create multiple levels for your calendar. Click the plus icon next to Add a Coworker's Calendar. Here you can see an option for a new calendar. When you select that option, it allows you to create a new schedule on your calendar. That way, you can enter specific events that you don't want to share with others, like personal appointments. From this menu option, you can also add calendars of interest. They are organized into categories like holidays, sports, and other. Also, you can add calendars by URL. After your Google Calendar is set up, it's time to add upcoming events and appointments. This can be done from the Calendar website or app. Use the mini form for quick add events. When creating an event, you have options for the day, time, name and details, location, invitees, frequency, and more. Here you can also create reminders that alert you to events on your calendar. It's also possible to add an event from another app, Gmail account, and other calendars. Also, you can include specific travel information like flight details, hotel reservations, and additional travel-related events that have details that are unique to that action. This includes arrival and departure times, flight and seat numbers, and reservation numbers. Again, you can determine what information you want to make public or private about these events. Also, your Google Calendar is a productivity and achievement tool. You can enter customized goals or choose one listed under options. Maybe you want to learn a new skill like coding or a language. Select this from the goals list on the Google Calendar or add it. Then pick a time and how long you want to practice that goal. If you can't make a certain time, Google will automatically look for a different time and reschedule. Your Google Calendar is powered by artificial intelligence. That means it learns alongside you as you use it. The more frequently you use your calendar, the better it will understand your schedule, lifestyle, and preferences. Then Google will suggest certain times for new events and adjust your schedule accordingly. Also, Google gives you many ways to view it. There is a long and short view. You can change this view under the drop-down menu on the right side of your screen or with the sidebar. Plus, you can view your calendar without an internet connection. All these options mean there is every reason to use Google Calendar as often as possible. Then there are some formatting features that offer some ways to redesign your calendar. You can adjust the colors for each event. There are also options for density and color for your calendar background, as well as the ability to select a responsive or compact design. Finally, while Google Calendar is free, Google also sells a version of Calendar with additional features and functionality. If your business signs up for G Suite by Google Cloud, you can choose from monthly fee levels per user. This gives you an extended version of many of its free services, plus greater storage. Overall, Google Calendar offers a clean, modern calendar with greater functionality than previous versions. It's easy to use and share with others on your team so you can stay organized and productive. And remember to try out calendar.com as a free alternative. Sign up today.